everybody, welcome back. I am Jaya and I am here to help you transform your house into a home. Have you heard this before? Yes, you guessed it right. This is a collab video with a super talented, super creative Disha Mishra Dubey.
Hello Hashtagians, I am Disha and my channel's name is Disha Mishra Dubey. I help people in transforming their house into a home and I share videos on home decor and styling, gardening, DIY, art and craft, traditional Indian art forms, traveling and lot more. And today Jaya and I are sharing total 10 tips to perk up a space. Jaya is sharing 5 tips to perk up a balcony space and I am sharing 5 tips to perk up home entrance. So after watching Jaya's video, please head over to my channel and check out my video. I'm looking forward to seeing you all there. Thank you Jaya for having me here.
To our viewers, and if you came here from Disha's channel, then namaste, welcome to Home Hashtag Live. And if you like our content, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get instant notification. Those of you who are with us from the very beginning, you know that we bought a resale property and had come through a massive renovation. And when everything is done, everything is sorted, then it's time for a makeover. So today I'm going to give a makeover to our master bedroom's balcony. This balcony is 10 feet by 4 feet, not tiny but definitely small. So I had to be creative and thoughtful to make the space look beautiful and of course functional too. Let's see what I have done so far. So let's get started. Let's start the video with a before tour. This balcony is multifunctional for us. I store my video recording equipments here, have kept those big Sterilite bins there for extra storage. AC's outer unit is also there. We hang clothes for drying. So I know I cannot go with those big bulky planter stand. And here comes my first tip. Add furniture or storage wisely in a small space. So to give this balcony a makeover, I found this corner shelf at IKEA and I couldn't be happier to found this shelf as it is exact fit for the space. It took us almost 30 minutes to assemble this corner shelf. Price of this shelf is 2,700 and change as of today's date. I can say it's definitely a budget buy for us. I just love it and moreover it is white, which means it matches with our existing bedroom theme so perfectly. My second tip is stick with color scheme to make small space look cohesive and bigger. My color inspiration was these 3 planters which I recently got from Shilparamam. Price was around 800 to 900 for all these 3 pots and plates under it. These planters are right fit for the space, not heavy and has instantly lift up the space without spending much. Also we installed this bracket for extra security so the stand will not fall down by any chance. Tip number 3 is add wall decors but don't overdo it. I'm adding few wall decors here which can be easily washable. I didn't spend any money for the wall decor. Like this fabric is a leftover piece from our dining chairs cover. I thought it will be perfect to add in our balcony as a decor. So took these 3 wooden embroidery hoops, measured it in a way so that it will look like these birds are talking to each other. Cut this yellow flower to continue with the theme added and look how gorgeous they are looking. So pretty. एक like तो बनता है इन cute birds के लिए. It was a super easy DIY number 1 of this video. Also we have hung this white wall planter and potted a money plant in it. I just can't wait to see how it will trail down. Next, DIY number 2 for wall decor is this painted leaves. I have used this wear out cork hot pot stand which I already had. Just painted it with white acrylic color, drew a leaf design and colored it as per the theme is going on for the balcony decor. I have mixed colors to get this beautiful teal blue color, and it turned out so nice. I'm so happy how it is looking right now. Best out of waste. Another DIY I have done with this placemat from IKEA for the wall decor. 2 zip ties and 2 for eucalyptus branches which I already had. I have just attached it through the mesh and attached the zip tie for a strong hold, and voila! Looks so nice and elegant. What do you think? Comment section में बताना ज़रूर. After adding few more plants on the floor, on the railing, our balcony started looking awesome, isn't it? Also, to match the decor theme, I painted this black pot in white color. White has its own elegance, always. By the way, these are candle stands from IKEA, cost 70 rupees each, which I have used as drip tray or a plant saucer. Just loved this beautiful detailing on the border. My fourth tip will be on sitting arrangements. In the balcony, the most important thing is sitting space. For me, it's the best place to unwind and relax. As of now, we are still looking for a best sitting arrangements for the space, so I decided to dress up this wear out plastic chairs. These chair covers are easily available in the market, or you can check the description box below for the link. Now see, they are all dressed up and looking so pretty. My last tip is add soft furnishing to lift up the space. A rug always make any space beautifully dressed up. I have used this old round rug. It is another DIY of this balcony makeover project. This is actually my friend's old rug which she wants to get rid of, and I just simply grabbed it for our balcony. Again, to match it with existing color theme, I bought this pom-poms and glued it to the rug. It's fabric glue and it can sustain many washes. Just don't wash them in hot water. Isn't it looking so pretty? Now it's time to add few cushions here. Another DIY I have done with this canvas cushion cover. Ironed it nicely and add pom-pom. So many options are there to play with your imagination. I decided to go with a home structure. Added this pom-poms with fabric glue. Drew a leaf design for detailing. I will suggest draw your design on a paper first to avoid mistakes. Then I used this liquid embroidery paint to draw it on the cushion. And it will be super easy to give your cushion cover a nice makeover. All these DIYs are for beginners like me, which doesn't take much time and must try once. I bought this cushion cover from West Side Homes, which is my daughter's absolute favorite. After placed these two chairs, I realized we don't have any table to keep our tea or coffee, so placed this puffy as a temporary fix and kept the white metal tray to put down cups or mugs. We decided to put curtains in the balcony as summer is approaching. We get much sunlight here, which is not suitable for our houseplants, so the curtain can filter the sunlight. And these white sheer ones are from IKEA. Super cheap, and moreover the white color makes the space so open and airy. So everything is done. Now let me give you the after tour. Hope this makeover will inspire you to create such space in your home sweet home. here is a special night view for you all. I love this balcony so much. It has a beautiful view of the city. So happy to give it a makeover. Don't forget to comment down below what do you think and what do you like about this space. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also share the video with someone you care. Also find the link below to check Disha's video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.